If Blender is giving you an error writing tile to file, don't worry. This is usually a simple render output issue, and in this video I'll show you the fastest way to fix it. We're going to check the output path, make sure Blender can actually write to the folder, switch file formats if needed, and clear up the most common causes so you can get your render running again. If this helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick Blender tutorials. Alright, let's fix it. First, open Blender and go to the Render Properties panel. Scroll down to the Output section and look at the file path. This is one of the most common causes of the tile write error. If the folder does not exist, or if Blender is trying to save to a location it cannot access, the render will fail. The easiest fix is to set a simple output path, like your desktop or a folder inside your documents. Click the folder icon, choose a location you know exists, and save the path. Next, make sure the folder is writable. If you are saving to an external drive, a network location, or a protected system folder, Blender may not have permission to write files there. Try switching to a local folder on your main drive and test the render again. After that, check your file format. If you are rendering to EXR and the write error keeps appearing, try switching to PNG or JPEG as a quick test. Sometimes the issue is not Blender itself, but the combination of format, file name, and available disk space. Now check your file name for special characters, avoid symbols that can cause problems, and keep the name simple and clean. A plain file name with no unusual characters is always safer. Another important step is to free up disk space. If your drive is nearly full, Blender may fail when it tries to write render tiles, especially with larger image formats like EXR. Delete some unused files or choose a drive with more free space, then render again. If you are still seeing the error, restart Blender and run a small test render using the simplest possible path and format. This helps confirm whether the problem was caused by a temporary glitch, a bad output location, or a format issue. Also, keep in mind that network drives can sometimes trigger write errors, so for testing, always use a local folder first. The goal here is to eliminate every possible path problem one by one. So the quick fix is simple. Set a clean output path, confirm the folder exists, use a writable location, change the format if needed, and make sure you have enough free disk space. In most cases, that solves the Blender error writing tile to file right away. If you want more fast Blender fixes like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.